Hey guys, today let's make Tamil Nadu style set dosas. So these are so yummy and very soft and mouth melting. So without any delay, we'll start the process. For this, you have to soak 2 cups of rice and half cup of urad dal. Wash it properly and soak it for 4 to 5 hours. Now take 1 cup of poha and soak it for half an hour. Now grind the rice and dal mixture into a paste as shown in the video. Now grind poha. Now mix both the mixes and mix with the hands so that it will help in fermentation. So after fermentation, you have to check for the consistency. If required, you can add little more water. The batter should be of this consistency. Now heat tawa pan and make dosas. Don't spread dosas too thin, it should be of thick dosas. Here you can see the dots are forming on the dosas. It indicates our batter is fermented well. So make all the dosas with the same procedure and enjoy. If you like the video, don't forget to click on like button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.